Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AutoGPT setup folder and services, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the AutoGPT setup folder and services, begin by closing any running instances of AutoGPT. Check your system tray to ensure no AutoGPT services are still active. Navigate to the control panel on your computer. Select Programs and then click on Uninstall a program. Look for AutoGPT in the list of installed applications. Once located, click on AutoGPT and select the Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. After uninstalling, open File Explorer to remove the AutoGPT setup folder. By default, this folder is located in your Program Files directory. Find the AutoGPT folder and right-click on it. Select Delete to remove the folder from your system. To ensure all services are stopped, press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services application from the search results. Scroll through the list to find any services related to AutoGPT. Right-click on each relevant service and select Stop if they are still running. After stopping the services, you can also choose to disable them for good. Right-click on the service again and select Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled and click OK. Once everything is removed and disabled, restart your computer. This will ensure any temporary files or settings related to AutoGPT are completely cleared. Check your system to confirm that AutoGPT has been fully uninstalled. You can do this by searching for AutoGPT in the Start menu. If no results appear, the uninstallation process was successful. Your system should now be free of any AutoGPT components. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.